Hello kids. Kids, we will trace A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. Blue, sky blue. Light green, orange. Brown, pink. Black, red. Kids, we are tracing capital letter A. A for apple. Small letter A. A for apple. Capital letter A. This is a small letter A. Now we are tracing letter A. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B for ball. This is letter B. B for ball. Kids, this is letter B. Now we are tracing letter B. This is letter B. B for ball. Kids, this is letter C. C for cat. Small letter C. C for cat. Capital letter C. This is small letter C. C for cat. We are tracing letter D. D for dog. Small letter D. D for dog. This is letter D. D. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. E for elephant. E. Capital letter E. Kids, we are tracing small letter E. E. Kids, this is letter A. A for apple. This is letter B. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant.